Hello and welcome, my art-loving friends. Okay, I decided to take on this huge project and I wasn't able to finish it in time. The backdrop that you see here is a hint. No, I did not paint that, but it has everything to do with Friday's video. So not having a video today will make the video Friday worthwhile, I hope. I cannot tell you how disappointed I am not to have a full-on art video for you today, but I thought I could finish this in time, and I can't. It's already like 5 o'clock Monday. The video comes out 7 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, so I am probably 1/3 of the way done. We're pushing this video off until Friday, so I really hope you understand. I hope you forgive me. But just know, it's worthwhile. I guess this is real life. Anyway, I am really excited about it, so hang in there, and I will see you on Friday. Bye for now.